Hello everyone, this video is to help you upload your linear patterning activities to YouTube and then give me the link. Let's continue to our first example. I would like you to explain two of your slides to me. This slide begins with a picture. You can show me one like this and then show me one that is not a picture. So if you have another slide that starts with the rule or the table of values or the graph. So in this case, we have the picture in the middle. I was able to come up with the rule, the table of values, the graph, and then the 100th position as well as the 0 position. So you'll fill in your information and explain to me how you got it. You might say things like, well, I can see that each time I'm adding a group of 5, and that's why the table goes up by a group of 5, and that's why I'm multiplying by 5, each position number times 5. The constant then is the two blue ones that are never changing, so that ends up being at the end here. And actually, looking at my graph, I can see that I've done this incorrectly. I started at position 0 with 7, but that's not true, so I'm actually going to correct that right now. So technically my real graph would start at 2, and then we'd go to 7, and then I'd go to 12, so it's moved over just a little bit. And then the pink line is actually the correct line. Alright, when you have explained two slides, you'll need to move on to exporting your video. To export your video, first I would advise using the home thing to save it first, but then the export is this one here that I'm pointing to at the moment, so a little arrow going out, that's the export file. Once you click on that, you're going to get a screen that looks like this. I would like you to make sure that you're in video mode, so it'll save it as a video or export as a video. Remember to keep it like 3 to 5 minutes in length. And then when you choose where you're going to export it to, I think we're going to go with YouTube. So if you could export it to YouTube, it'll take a few minutes to compress. I'm going to show you on the next slide what the YouTube looks like. Once your video has been exported to YouTube, you can sign into YouTube either on a computer or on the iPad, and you'll get a screen that looks like this. When you're at this screen, you need to click on the little person here on the right. That's going to be you. I'm just going to wait for this to reload. That'll be you, and then you click on your videos. So you can see the linear patterning video that I made the other day with you is right here. And I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to grab that link.
Corner, da, 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 da. Tell me about it, and then again.
Okay, so then you grab this link up here, copy it, and paste, keep it for pasting. Now, I'm going to give you a link for a Google form inside the hub. So look for that link, but then give me this YouTube link in your video for your video. Thank you. Good luck.